What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a marvelous day on this super Saturday. If you're here for the very first time, you already know what to do. Smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, if you haven't checked this project out, go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. I'm here today, real briefly though, just to tell you guys why I decided to upgrade with this program to the premium level, which is the $600 level. All right, real quick, I got started in the program when it launched back in 2021. I didn't start immediately when they launched it. I don't know, 3 to 6 months after. But at any rate, I've been in it since 2021. They came out with 3 product levels initially. The 50, these are digital products, the $50 product, the $150, and the $300. The $300 was the highest level, the 6-figure BluePrint, right? $300. Then they came out last year around this time or December with the 4th product, which is the premium, the one that I'm in right now, the 600. Okay, now when they came out with that one, I was already, of course, I'm always promoting other projects, other programs, and at the time I was like, oh, I already have a high ticket in my mind. I had a high ticket program, okay, where it pays $1,000 and $2,000 commissions. So I was like, don't really need to upgrade. 50, 150, 300 is good. It's working fine. $300 commissions were coming in. You know, people were buying different products. So it didn't move me, okay, at that time to upgrade. So here we're almost a year later, right? And that $600 level has been there. Of course, I've got to upgrade it numerous times, right, within this time frame. So why did I decide at this time to go ahead and upgrade? Well, I'll tell you. The digital program, that 4th level, that premium, is great, okay? But what really made me do it is the community that I've become a part of. All right, the thriving community, and seeing people from all walks of life be able to come in with this new strategy that I have, the 2-hour workday, producing 3 pieces of content a day. All right, this strategy and these people is what motivated me. So I knew if I was excited, I know new people that have never, ever been in this space of making money online, digital products, e-learning, any of this stuff, it would really move them and motivate them, because they would be able to see themselves in other people just like them. All right, because I knew I could come out here and promote the program and be able to sell the products without a problem. But I always like to look at, well, how are my new folks going to take to this? All right, and so it was beyond just purchasing the product. What else can I offer? What other value? Of course, I've always offered myself as one-on-one support. I'm always here. My number's out here. People know they can call me when they sign up. No issues. But I needed something else, and this is what did it. This community and all the value that we're bringing, that I saw here. And once I got in it and I saw all this value, I knew this was it. And I've been in it now for about 2 weeks, and I've been able to, this is my 2nd week, been able to on my own. So just me knowing what I've been able to do with it, I knew it would be able to help other people. Okay? And so once I got in and I actually started applying a few of the strategies, and within that time, I've already created 3 $300 sales, guys. Shout out to the team, okay? Just applying a few things 3 sales. All right. So that's what made me decide, hey, I'm going all in. Everybody that gets started with me, I'm going to be able to add you in to the community so that you can get the proper training that you need. Okay, you have your digital products, yes, but it's beyond that. Getting into this community, being able to fellowship with the other people, seeing what other people just like you that's new, non-techie, people of different age groups are doing, you'd be able to resonate with these people. So I'm all in. It got me super stoked and super excited. So I decided to upgrade and to make it my number one digital program from here and beyond going into 2024. All right, guys. So that's the reason. So let's talk about it. Let's get into just a little bit of what's on the inside, because it's bigger than just buying a product. Okay. So let's take a look here. Check it out. See, this is what I love, that you'll be able to log in, guys, right? And then you'll see every day. Okay, right now we're in November. So this is the 10K challenge that's going on. But it's numbered by the day, right? So we're at day 18, right? So each day you just go here and click on a video. And it's no longer than 10 minutes, 11 minutes. And it's going to give you ideas of what you should do for the day. And remember, it's only a 2-hour work day. So you can split it up. Doesn't have to be 2 hours at one time. It can be 15 minutes here, 10 minutes here, 30 minutes here, 1 hour here. Just get the content out. Okay, take action. And it's simple stuff, right? So like 3 pieces of content. It could be 1 video. Right, that's 1 piece. Make a post, copy, paste, add somewhere, right? 3 pieces of content, right? So you never have to worry about, well, I'm not sure what I should be doing today, or what should I say if I do a video, or what should I post if I make a post, right? So this is going to be step by step, all right, on what you need to do to help you be successful in promoting the digital products that you just purchased. That's what it's about. So not just having the digital products, but way beyond that. So that's what we have here in the community. All right, and let's take a look at some more results of other folks. Okay, and by the way, you see our number is going up. We're 5,700 members right here. Look, $600 ding. All right, and somebody got right here. Shout out to them. Super excited. Okay. And $300 right here, guys. This person is excited because they went live and got 800 views. I mean, it goes on and on. Look, another sale, posting on Facebook, made $50. Okay, I've made $483 my first month. I got 10 new leads, $600. I mean, this is all day, every day. Upgraded to the $300 level, another $600. Here's somebody, I got my first sale. This person right here says, shout out to Renee, 600, 3,600 for the week. Okay, but that's just some results. Okay, that's great. I love to see people post that, but it's beyond everybody just making posts. It's the actual value of the inside of what you're going to get here with the step-by-step training. Okay, as you can see on the screen here, what days you're supposed to do what, and then having these live webinars. Let's take a look at that too. Okay, see here for November. All right, so we don't have anything on the weekend, right? But what we have, all right, coming up on Monday, we've got a webinar at 8. We've got one at 2 o'clock on Tuesday, one at 8 o'clock on Tuesday. I mean, this is live training. You get to ask your questions. We have the tech days where you get to ask the technical questions here. As you can see, we had one on Friday. We got another one coming up this Friday. All right, then we've got our Pinterest workshop that we had on Thursday. So it's beyond just buying the digital products. And I know people need this type of connection. They need support beyond that. All right, and not just from your sponsor. Now you have a community, guys, of people. You can also make a post within the community. But even beyond that, right, you could come over to the classroom. See right here, it says classroom. Click classroom, type in the search bar, right? You may be looking for something about Facebook, how to whatever on Facebook, how to whatever on TikTok, and it's going to search the classroom where there was a video or something in reference to that subject that you just posted, that you're searching for. Okay, this is good stuff, trust me. To inspire me to upgrade after a whole year, you know it's got to be something, because I've got to been upgraded. Okay, so you get your 2-hour work day, you get content here, you get training, you've got all the classroom topics that you could think about all right here. Now you're able to get this for free because you're going to purchase the digital products from me. We've got the 4 products, right? We've got our $50, our $150, our $300 BluePrint, and then we've got our $600 all-in affiliate premium, right? So any one of those products that you purchase will allow you to be able to get in. I'll be able to add you. I'm going to send you a welcome email. In that email, we'll have the link for you to answer a few questions so that they can get you added into the community. You're not just going to be added. You have to be invited with a specific link. All right, so I'll get that to you, as well as I'll be sending you your link to get you into your digital products. Okay, so we have your one-on-one with me, support, access to me at any point in time that you need to ask any questions. Then you got 5,700 people in a community that's here to help as well. All right, because otherwise to be in this community is $47 a month. Okay, and I know some people don't want to spend an extra expense a month. So this will get you in for free, access to all the training in the community, the live trainings every day, Monday through Friday, the classroom, everything you need to be successful with your digital business. All right, guys. So that's why I did it, and I'm super excited about it. All right, guys. So here we are. We're ready to rock and roll. My site is being created. Okay, because I upgraded yesterday, so it takes anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, by the way, to get your website created. Yours as well. It's $39 for the $50, the $150, and the $300 digital products. If you purchase those, $39. But if you go all in like I did, it's $59. Okay, these are one-time payments. Okay, you don't have, there's no monthly fees with any of this stuff. All right, but you're gonna love it. Okay, so if you're interested in learning how to make daily pay, guys, receive instant commissions with just a 2-hour work day, simple strategies. I've already proven that to you guys, because I keep coming out saying, hey, I made another 300. I made another 300, because I'm following these steps and simple steps. I'll be back to talk about a couple of the things that I've been doing as well. All right, so stay tuned. We're all in our #1 digital program for 2023 and beyond. www.thecopypastemethod.com. So make sure you go to that link, go check it out, see what it's all about. You deserve to at least go take a peek, right? All right, now, and I also have a special that I've got going on. You got to reach out to me to find out what it's all about. It's a limited time offer only. Okay, for the holidays. Not sure how long I'm going to run it, but if you're interested in getting started, it's only going to be for the pro members, the $300 product package, and of course the $600 premium package. All right, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, reach out to me. You can do that by going to www.thecopypastemethod.com. You're going to receive an email, and then you can reply, and I'll let you know what the special is. All right, guys, let's go. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.